The main purpose of this flight is to test these props, which are 7-inch props cut down to just a bit over 6 to make them bullnose, a bit like these green ones, the 6-inch green ones that I'm using on the other bugs, which work very well. This is what the 7-inch props look like when they arrive, and they're fine. They're lovely props in perfectly still conditions, but a bit of wind and also any damage to the tips, and suddenly you're getting a bit of vibration. So the main aim was to see if I could trim the tips accurately enough so they're balanced to get vibration free flight. And right over here on the other side I've got one that's got 5-inch, I think they're 6-inch props, but they're pointy tip ones. So I think pointy tip are probably good for races because they grip the air, you can turn well, but because they're a little bit fragile, those pointy tips, they tend to be damaged. So given my main focus is photography, that's why I'd really like some 7-inch bullnose props, but they don't seem to make them. So cutting down slightly damaged 7-inch ones was the next best thing. So that's what this Sunday afternoon session is really about. So we'll see how we go.